So we're going to start a lured heel with Chewy here. Lured heel means I'm going to have him following my hand. This is also why we did the touch for the treats while he walks along beside me. So puppies are usually not going to get the whole heel process like adult dogs do, but you can get them ready, and you can do actually quite a lot. You don't get an hour healing out of them or anything before your puppy becomes big and unmanageable. And it's good for Chewy because he's scared, so just gonna get a couple steps. Heel, sit. Yes, good. It also gets him to learn to walk close to whoever's handling the leash. Good boy. Now, don't forget, wait till he's done eating. That was just one piece of kibble. He's still a baby. Chewy. Heel, sit. Yes. So the sit's going to be an auto sit later. I'm only taking 2 steps because yesterday it was hard to get Chewy to come up beside me at all. So this is what we call progress. Chewy. Heel. Sit. Yes. And it doesn't have to look perfect, so don't be comparing a established dog's focused heel to this. So first I want to come up, heel, sit. Yes. So my strategy with Chewy especially, so this won't be in the directions unless I remember to put it in there, is to move him forward first. So I move forward a little bit first until he's up, and then I lure him forward. Heel, sit. Yes, good boy. Good boy, Chewy. Another thing I want you to focus on is the position of my hand, which will probably be clearer up front. Heel, see it slightly in front of my legs, sit. Yes. It's not back here. It might have been when I started because I had to lure him up. It's right out here because you want heel position later on to be shoulder and leg. You don't, and I should make it clear, you don't necessarily have to have a heel if you have a loose leash walk, but with a scared dog, it's good for him to concentrate on something in the beginning. Also, heel is a lovely command, I love it. It's very clear to the dog. So let's say I'm walking with my dog and they're on loose leash, and then they start to pull. I can just calm my dog into a heel, and then let them go when I want to, again, as long as they're on loose leash. Chewy. Heel, sit. Yes. Good boy. So notice my hand, and I'm also bent over too. It's a rough command if you don't have a good back. Heel. So there are other ways to do that too. Sit. Yes. But for puppies, the lured heel is optimal. I have my best adult dog heel with Shayna, who I started as a puppy with this. We've done other methods too, but she really understands where she needs to be. Let's go. Heel, sit. Yes. Heel, sit. Good boys. Chewy. Heel. Sit. Yes. Who did that, Chewy? heel when he's adult and we're doing a heel too. So it's hand, heel, close, sit, lower, yes. So see, I say sit when I stop my left foot and then I close up with my right. So. Heel, set. Yes. Good boy. Chewy. Heel, set. Yes. Choo-choo. Chewy, choo. Heel, set. Yes. Good boy. Come here. Leave that alone. I know. I'll deal with that later. Heel, set. See, now that he's gotten used to the process, I don't have to worry about him being up before I move anymore. Chewy, heel, set. Yes. Good boy. Let's go. Heel, set. Yes. Heel, set. Yes. Heel, set. Yes. Heel, set. Yes. Good boy, Chewy. You get a little lightheaded when you're going up and down a lot. Choo, choo, choo. Oops. Want to go get it? All right, you were slow. I got it. Ha ha. Chewy. You can earn it back. Come on. Heel, set. Heel, set. Yes. Let's go. Heel, set. Yes. Heel, set. Yes. Let's go. Come on. Heel, set. Yes. Good boy. Heel, set. Yes. Good boy. Heel, set. Yes. Good boy. Let's go. Sit. Heel, sit. Yes. Good boy. Good boy, Chewy. Praise is also optimal. Heel, sit. Yes. Oops, you can get that one. I try not to drop them, but it happens. Chewy. Heel, sit. Yes. Heel, a good baby boy. He's a good baby boy. He's a good baby boy. Heel, sit. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. If you can see my two over there, I want to take a picture of them, but I'm videoing Chewy right now. I'm hoping that they still stay still when we're done with Chewy. Heel, sit. Yes. Heel, sit. Yes. So if he does that pop-up, just wait until he goes back down on his bum, because that's what sit is. Heel, sit. Yes. Heel, sit. Yes. Good boy. Just 4 more minutes, Chewy. Almost done. You're going to be full too, huh? Okay. Heel, sit. Oops, we're off camera now, Chewy. Yes. All right, here we go. Choo-choo. Heel, sit. Yes. Oh, those little kibbles. Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Heel, sit. Yes. Come on. Heel, sit. Yes. Heel, sit. Yes. Chewy, chew. Choo, choo. Choo, choo. Chewy. Heel. Good boy. Sit. Yes. Chewy. Heel. Sit. Don't go to bed yet. Yes. Good boy. Heel, sit. Yes. Choo-choo. Come on, choo. Heel, sit. Oh, no. Come on. Oh, Tommy, move before I can take the picture. Heel, sit. Yes. Boris, did your pillow move? Did your pillow move? Battle, Tommy. Oh, battle, Tommy. Chewy. Heel, sit. Yes. Heel, sit. Yes. Munchu. Heel, sit. Yes. Oh, sorry, Chewy. Boris is going to help you out with that, huh? Heel, sit. Yes. choo. Yo, set. Yes. Left another present for Boris. All right, 15 minutes. We're done. Now he's gonna go to the bathroom and go to bed for a little.